In this video, I am going to show you how to contact YouTube TV customer support and whether there's a direct email for assistance. Unfortunately, YouTube TV does not provide a specific email address for customer support. Instead, they encourage users to resolve issues through their official help center or in-app support system. To get help, open the YouTube TV app or website, go to Settings, and select Help or Report a Problem. From there, you can describe your issue and submit a request directly to their support team. Alternatively, visit the YouTube TV Help Center online, where you'll find FAQs, troubleshooting guides, and an option to contact support via chat or a web form. If you're facing billing or account issues, ensure you're signed into your Google account, as some problems may require verification through Google Support. While there's no direct email, these methods are designed to provide quick and personalized assistance, and that's all there is to it. If this video helped you learn how to contact YouTube TV customer support, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.